Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's live forex market analysis, our pair is the GBPUSD, the pound versus the US dollar. So, without any further waste of time, I'd like to get on to the video. So, stay tuned and let's get it. So, as usual, I start from a 4-hour time frame, switch to line graph, and then what I do is to identify my key levels. And identifying my key levels, I always start with my highest high and my lowest low. So this is my lowest low and that is my highest high. So, and then from there, I then discover or identify previous lows and highs. So this is a low right here. So now that I have my 4 key levels, I'll switch back to candlesticks, and the first thing I see is that okay, the market was in the market is inside a bearish trend. The market is inside a bearish trend, and as you can see, the market is at my key level. This is a strong key level, so the market has a higher chance of actually either reversing or either breaking out. So if I move to the lower time frame, which is the hourly time frame, one thing that I see is that I'm seeing that the market was in this bullish structure, right? Was in this bullish structure. So it has broken out of that bullish structure and is now the market is now selling because it has broken out here, as you can see, and this is my key level. So as I said, it has a higher chance of actually breaking out of our key level or reversing. So in this case, we're seeing reversal signals. So the GBPUSD might sell. So this is my trend lines for the hourly time frame on the GBPUSD pair. So another thing, I want to spot my zones, my support and resistance zones. This is a strong zone that I cater for, and also this is another strong support zone that I want to cater for. So okay, let me adjust. So I have my support and resistance zones. So now should I dig deeper to find entries and to see whether is there any setups to trade for this pair. So moving on to the 30-minute time frame, now that we know that this is a breakout and a retest, so should the market break this support zone, which would become a resistance zone, then from there, this is what we would expect: a breakout, a retest, and then from there, once we get that retest, the market will then sell on the long term. So yes, the market has a higher chance of actually selling. So also want to cater for this as my double top. No, it's not. So yes, as I said, the market can break out, retest, and should we look for sales once the market breaks out and retest. And from here, I cannot really cater much for buys, but if the market doesn't respect our setup and should the market buy, then the market would then give us indications, or like give us continuation patterns to the upside. Then from there we can take on with the sells, so I mean the buys. So for now the main focus is for sells because it is broken out of the major trend line, or major bullish trend line, or major bullish structure. So to be safe and protect ourselves from market manipulations, should the market break out, as I said, give us a retest, and once the market retests there, we won't know whether the market might give us a fake out or it might continue with the breakout and retest. So what we would do once the market reaches there is to place a sell stop just above where it reversed here. I mean just below where it reversed, and our stop loss is at this level here, which is the 1.26350, and our take profit would be, if I move to the hourly time frame, be either here, once this is a strong zone, support zone, or we can go for long term. But if you go for long term, which is the 1.249, this, you are gonna place a stop loss just above this zone, and then you would capture that move. So that's how you basically cater for an opportunity to trade the GBPUSD pair. So yeah, that's about it. That's what I have for you in this video, and I'd like to thank you for investing your time into this video. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you want more content, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also, if you have any questions about how I analyze, or basically any question about trading in general, you can leave them on the comments, or if you have any suggestions, you can also leave them on the comments. So without any further waste of time, again I would like to thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.